Hello! Let's get started. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Danielle Carr, registered dietitian and new mama of this sweet little 3-month-old. This right here, his name is Colton Danger Carr. Yep, we love it. So he is here to help me today because I'm on a 45-minute break until he's got to go back down. We follow a pretty good schedule. He's an incredibly calm baby, so I'm very lucky for that. Breastfeeding. If you are needing help with breastfeeding, or even if you're not and you want to keep your milk supply, because that's so important, these lactation bites are a huge help. I have been wanting to make this video for a while now to help all our new mamas or mamas, whether you're breastfeeding from age 0 to a year or up to 2 years or whatever you're doing. These things help. They're quick, they're easy, they're no bake. And there's studies that show that healthy fats such as peanut butter and flaxseed will help with immune boosting also, but will help with your supply. But a huge part of it too is oatmeal, Brewers yeast. That will really help with your supply as well. And Brewers yeast has been proven to help with energy and immune function also. So watch how easy this is. I make them every week. Maybe I eat too many of them. Are you talking? But you can, I just make a bunch because they're quick and easy. I mean, as new moms or moms, we know life is busy and you need things on the run. So this is a great way to keep your calories up. Because remember, you need 500 extra calories a day to help with your supply, but also to feed your baby also. That needs to be really good calories. Not just, oh, I'm having chips and queso, and that can add up to 300 to 500 calories real quick. So let's get started. Here, watch how easy this is, guys. We've got 6 ingredients, okay? Really easy, and so I'm just gonna throw them in. So first things first, almond butter or peanut butter. I use almond butter just because I believe in it being a little bit more nutritious, not as reactive with a lot of people. It's a little bit more clean, but make sure whichever brand you get, it needs to say just almonds or just peanuts. Salt is fine too, but you don't want the high fructose syrup. If you can stay away from any type of oil, that would be the best thing also. You want 8 ounces of this. Then you want 2 cups of oatmeal. A half a cup of ground flaxseed. Make sure it's already ground so it mixes well. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla. And then a half a cup of honey. Whichever honey you use, just a tip, use honey that's local, like a local honey, so it helps, it'll have the same allergens that you have and that you're used to. 3 tablespoons of Brewers yeast. So I use this brand, Mommy Knows Best, but the main thing that you need to know is just use a brand that has no GMO. So non-GMO, no dairy, no soy, no artificial flavor. You really want a clean one and organic. So we're gonna blend that up. Once that's done, you can throw in a half cup of dark chocolate chips. I don't do as many chocolate chips, but I'm not a big fan of chocolate. I love chocolate chips. I love chocolate chips. I'm just not a big fan of chocolate chips in things. If I'm gonna eat chocolate chips, I want the real chocolate chips. So you're just gonna stir those in. And that's a half a cup. And then we're gonna make them into little balls. So you're gonna make these into 2 tablespoon sized balls. And you tell I'm eating some, sorry, I shouldn't do it on camera. But it is what it is. Mom's gotta eat. So you could also put this in like an 8x8 pan. I'm having to shake the baby, sorry. An 8x8 pan and cut it into bars if you want also. So here we go. Hold on, buddy. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay, I'm learning this. So, and then also freeze these. If you want to freeze them, they're gonna last at least 3 months in the freezer. So that's a great thing to do. Just make a double batch, put half in the freezer so you've got it there. So when you are in a rush, there's been so many times where I'm like, oh my gosh, I need some food. And I have like black bean burgers in the freezer, and then that was all that I froze, and I'm like, oh, but at least I can have these. I've got some deli meat, I've got some yogurt already there, even frozen, so yeah. So you will see here, this is what they look like. And that's it, guys. I hope that helps. Ladies, or maybe your man is making this. So either way, let me know if you make these. If you have other ideas, great, comment below. But definitely let me know if you like them. Comment below on that, and subscribe for more videos. Hit that little bell right there on the bottom so you can subscribe for more videos to come. Thanks so much, and happy momming.